So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and we are back with the post market analysis. So first we are going to start with the Nifty 50, and as you can see we have Nifty 50 daily chart on our screen right now, and today's candle is this one, red candle. Red candle is taken as a bearish candle, but I would say the day was positive in the market because if you will see that market had made another higher low, right? The prices today, the low made by the prices today was lower than the yesterday's low, correct? And yesterday closing was 15,582.8 and today's closing is 15,574.85, so just little bit lower closing than the yesterday, but in the opening market was in the good mood, and after that bears stepped in, or I will say that first candle made by the market, in which market made its daily's high. After that, that candle is also even bearish. The first hour candle also is a bearish candle. I'll show you that. Correct. So we had talked about it. I have told you there are possibilities that market might go back to test this important level, and right now what we can see is that there is no negativity in the market as far as the longer time frames are concerned. The monthly time frame, the weekly or daily time frame concerned, there are no negative or bearishness as far as I can see right now. But yeah, definitely we also have to look at the market from the daily intraday trading perspective. So I have made some important levels for all of you to look at, and you can also use it in taking trades if you want to. So first of all, we will be moving to the hourly chart, and I'll show you what was the actual momentum for today's in the market, how was the mood in the market in the initial hours, and what were the changes prior to that, correct? So as I have talked about this, I have told you that the more probability is for a sideways market. I had told you, if you listen to the video carefully, the yesterday's video, you will recognize that I had told you after the momentum we can see little bit of consolidation, and we have seen the consolidation today. Definitely this consolidation is right above the important level, but still the consolidation is there. And why, as to why this consolidation is taking place here, let me take you to the even shorter time frame to show you. Okay, so now the reason why markets today's low was there, if I'll change this level, okay, I'll change the visibility of this level to the daily and hourly time frame also, then you will find one very interesting thing. Let me take you to the daily time frame here. Today's low is right here resting near this important level, correct? Right here resting at this important level, but this level belongs to the shorter time frame only, correct? On the hourly time frame also you can see that these lows are just touching here, and the market is almost resting. Look at the wicks of these two candles are also very near to this important level, and market is right now resting at this level, correct? So this is a kind of acting as a support, and this downward sloping line is acting as a resistance for the market. Definitely a triangle pattern is making it look like, and I hope that this pattern will get filled tomorrow. Okay, but for the any upper side movement, market needs to give a breakout from here, and for any downside movement, market needs to give a breakdown right down below, right here. Below this important level. Let me change the visibility for the minute charts only. But I hope you got that these are the important level for the day trading, and day trading is done with the perspective of the levels. When we see a consolidated market, when we are expecting a consolidated market, then we mark important levels to find out where market can take momentum, as well as what will be the direction of the market. So in the longer time frame, definitely we don't see any bearish signals, but for the daily trading purposes, these are the important levels that we have on our screen. I have marked for you. You can easily you can notice them. I am taking my cursor over these levels so that you can notice the on the side. You can also mark the level at which I have marked these levels. So 15,534.35 is somewhere around the support market is taking, and this downward sloping line is following this trajectory. You can see the prices, so according that you can also mark on your charts if you want to take the calls, correct? So this is the very important level. If I'll show you on the 5-minute charts, it will be very elaborated and more illustrious to all of you. And here, as you can see, also this has been respected by the 5-minute and 15-minute, as well as you can see the daily low is also resting on this important level, correct? So I hope now you understood as to what you can do, because on the daily, on the longer time frame, we are not bearish at all. There are no signs for the bears have entered the market, so we will be bullish. But for the day trading also, we have to look at the important levels. So these are the two very important levels that I have marked. Okay, so I hope you are now clear about it, correct? Now taking things to the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, you will see that it is just like following the Nifty 50, and from past few days we have seen that this correlation has certainly spiked up. You can see the Bank Nifty making this very similar candle, but as far as Bank Nifty is also concerned, on the longer time frame, I don't see any bearish signal. So as far as we will be as for now, we are going to be bullish on the Bank Nifty as well, because we don't see any signs that can tell us whether Bank Nifty has given any reversal, that as to can we expect a bearish movement from here. So Bank Nifty has not given any sort of sign that way. And on the hourly chart, I have marked some levels on the hourly charts as well. So this is the particular line that I have marked, which is being respected. So market is uptrending, so this can be considered as a trend line, and this line has been respected on the hourly, 15 and 5-minute chart. All of the chart, this line has been respected, and as you can see, market is making higher highs and higher lows, and those are clearly visible. Okay, this can be a little doubtful, but here we don't have doubtful. Still, if you look at it, if you will feel it, they are definitely this high is little higher than the previous high. So yeah, definitely we are looking at a uptrend line, correct? So market is right now taking support at the uptrend line, so expecting it to move upward again and again. I hope market will make a higher high again. That are the expectations from the market as of now. Because if you'll see that if you don't even count this, and if you'll take this line starting from here only, then you can see, then you can clearly see how good these higher highs are, correct? So that's why I'm hoping that tomorrow we will be seeing an upside movement in the Bank Nifty as far as Bank Nifty is concerned, because it is resting at the trend line, and the market will be making another higher high as far as what right now we can see. If we see anything in the morning that tells us that no, market is not going to make a higher high, that will be decided in the morning on opening only. But as far as the post market analysis is concerned, this is what I can show you. If I'll take you to the 15-minute chart, then also you can see that this line has been respected. Obviously the trend is not very clearly visible on the 15-minute chart through this line, but I can assure you that Bank Nifty is definitely taking support on this line, correct? You can see, that's why I have told you can ignore this level, but yeah, Bank Nifty has taken support previously also one time here, that's why I have marked. But from here, if you will see, you can see the higher highs and higher lows very easily. The highs and the lows, you can easily see this. So hoping another higher high Bank Nifty will make, as far as, because on the long time frame, on the daily, weekly and monthly time frame, Bank Nifty is definitely bullish. That's why I'm hoping that only. On the 5-minute chart, there is no sense in pulling it back far long. Okay, I hope you are very clear about it, about the Bank Nifty and the Nifty 50. That's why also you can expect that Nifty 50 also might look good bullish in the morning, because hope from the Bank Nifty is to make a higher high, correct? So I hope we are completely clear about the Bank Nifty and the Nifty 50. Now I am going to give you a stock, because of the this sideways movement after the so many days of good run in the market. The stocks movement is significantly been stopped. There are not much momentum in the stocks, and as I am a momentum conservative trader, I am not able to find completely assured stocks for you for the day trading. That's why I am giving you a stock which has given a very important level on the longer time frame, so you can trade it also, as well as you can hold position in it for like in the derivatives, you can hold position for it for the longer term also. So the stock is HDFC AMC. HDFC Asset Management Company. This is the stock. You can see the indecision and then the lower closing has been given by this stock. So right now I'm bearish on this stock, and we can short sell this. So obviously you can short sell this for the day trading purposes as well as, and if somebody wants to take a positional call, then you can buy the put or you can write the call or whatever you like to do it through derivatives if you want to short it, correct? So the high of the indecision is 3012, so that's going to be our stop loss, and our entry point is now below 2964 is our entry point, correct? So stop loss is big, definitely, because this is on the longer time frame. If somebody is more conservative, then you can take a stop loss of 1 or 1.5%. Accordingly also you can trade. So I hope you got all the things about the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the HDFC AMC for the trading. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please do like this video, share this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.